Welcome to this explainer. Today, we look at the AI business in the year 2026. People talk a lot about artificial intelligence, but the real business behind it is often a mystery. Today, we will look inside the machine. We want to find the simple truth about AI money.
Here is our agenda. First, the big AI money. Second, the hidden money loop. Third, new custom computer chips. Fourth, real-world physical limits. And finally, real business results.
Section 1. The big AI money.
Think about the number $725 billion. In the year 2026, 4 large cloud companies will spend this money. These companies are Google, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft. They will buy a huge amount of equipment. They want to build the biggest computer systems in the world.
Experts call this massive growth a gigacycle. This means many things are growing at the exact same time. Computing power is growing. Computer memory is growing. Energy needs are also growing. This is a very rare event in history. The whole computer industry is changing very fast.
Section 2. The hidden money loop.
Often the money moves in a complex circle. Here's how it works. Step 1. A big computer chip company invests money into a small AI company. Step 2. The small AI company uses that money to build a new data center. Step 3. The small company buys computer chips from the big company, so the money goes right back to the start.
Let us look at a concrete example. First, NVIDIA invests money into OpenAI. Second, OpenAI buys cloud space from Oracle. Third, Oracle buys computer chips from NVIDIA. The money circles back to NVIDIA. This circle makes the AI market look much bigger than it really is.
Many experts see a real danger here. One expert calls this a new credit risk. This expert says it is very similar to the year 2000. Back in the year 2000, many new internet companies failed. This money loop can break. It will break if the small companies do not make real profits.
Section 3. New custom computer chips. For a long time, companies only bought standard chips from NVIDIA. Now this is changing. Big companies are making their own custom chips. For example, Amazon has a chip called Trainium. Google has a chip called TPU. They do not want to use only standard chips anymore.
Why do they want to make their own chips? The answer is simple. These big companies want to lower their costs. Standard chips are very expensive. The companies also want more control over their own business. They want to stop relying on just one supplier.
Section 4. Real-world physical limits.
We cannot just build endless AI data centers. We hit hard limits in the real world. First, AI needs a huge amount of electricity. We lack the power grids for this. Second, AI computers get very hot. They need a lot of water to stay cool. Third, local city rules often stop new buildings. Finally, basic electrical parts are missing from the supply chain.
Let us compare building costs. In 2025, a surprising thing happened. Companies spent more money building AI data centers than people spent building single-family houses in America. Think about that for a moment. More money went to computer buildings than to family homes. That is an incredible scale.
Because of these physical limits, a lot of construction must stop. Over half of the data centers planned for 2026 are now delayed or canceled. This is a very important fact. You cannot run AI without power. You cannot cool computers without water. The digital boom is crashing into the real physical world.
Section 5. Real business results.
Think about this number, 29%. Research shows that only 29% of companies get good financial returns on their AI money. This means 71% of companies are struggling. They spend a lot of money on AI, however, they see no real return on that money. Making AI profitable is very hard.
This is the business reality today. Most AI projects fail to make money. The running costs are simply too high. Also, there is a new problem. Experts call it the 2026 problem. Soon, there will not be enough good text on the internet to teach new AI models. Building better AI is getting much harder.
Today, we saw the big money. We saw the hidden money loops. We explored the real-world physical limits. And finally, we looked at the hard business facts. So I will leave you with one simple question to think about. Is the AI boom safe? Thank you for joining this explainer. Keep learning and keep asking questions.